Good morning kids. Hello parents. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at your home. My name is Sachal ma'am from New Era Global School. So first start with prayer. So आपको आज क्लोज योर आइज नहीं करना है. आपको ये प्रेयर मैंने आपको इससे पहले सिखाई थी राइट. सो शैल स्टार्ट. कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी कर मध्ये सरस्वती कर मूल्ये तु गोविंदम प्रभाते कर दर्शनम. कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी कर मध्ये सरस्वती कर मूल्ये तु गोविंदम प्रभाते कर दर्शनम. Once again. कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी कर मध्ये सरस्वती कर मूल्ये तु गोविंदम प्रभाते कर दर्शनम. Now rub your hands, put them on your eyes, open your eyes and now you fresh. Okay, so मैंने आपको ये श्लोक का मतलब समझाया था राइट. कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी. कर मतलब हम हमारे हाथ को संस्कृत में कर बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? कर. कर मतलब हैंड्स राइट. कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी कर मध्ये सरस्वती कर मूल्ये तु गोविंदम प्रभाते कर दर्शनम. ये प्रेयर हमें कब करनी है? सुबह उठ के. ओके, सो कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी मतलब हमें जब हम प्रेयर बोल रहे होते ना कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी तो हमें हमारे उंगलियों में देखना है. फिर कर मध्य सरस्वती तब हमारी नजर कहाँ होनी चाहिए? बीच में राइट, मध्य. एंड कर मूल्य मतलब लास्ट में. कर मूल्य कौन है? गोविंदम. गोविंदम मतलब कृष्णा. सो ये प्रेयर आपको रोज सुबह उठकर करनी है और ये सुबह उठकर मैं ये तीन भगवान का स्मरण करता हूँ. ओके, ये श्लोक का मतलब ये है. सो नाउ गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. सो today's session we start with phonic sound. A says a, B says b, C says k, D d, E a, F G G, H I E, J J, K K, L M N. Yesterday what did we learn? Yesterday we learned letter N. Yes, yesterday we learned how to write small letter N. So what is the phonic sound of M? What is the phonic sound of M? Very good. And after O, O, P, P, Q, K, Q, W, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. What is the phonic sound of Z? Z. Very good. So now revision time. Let's revise letters. So kids, how many letters in our alphabet series? There are 26 letters. How many letters? 26 letters. 5 vowel and 21 consonant. Okay, so shall we start? A for apple, capital letter A, small letter A. A says A. B for ball, B for bird, B for boot, B for bug, B for bus, B for bag. Capital letter B, small letter B, and B says B. So now which picture is this? Yes, C. Which letter is this? C. B after C. C for cat, cookie, crayons, car, cloud. Capital letter C, small letter c. C says after D, and D says D. What is the phonic sound of D? D. 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 Door. D. Day. D. Dinosaur. D. Dog. D says D. D after E. E for elephant. E says egg. Eyes, ears, egg, elephant. Capital letter E, small letter E. E after F, and F says fire, five, fish, frog, feet, flower. F for fire. Capital letter F, small letter F. F after F after G. And what is the phonic sound of G? G says G. G. Girl. G. Glue. G. Go. G. Grass. Capital letter G, small letter G. G after H, and H says house, hill, horse, hammer. Capital letter H, small letter H. H after I. And what is the phonic sound of I? E. What is the phonic sound of I? E. E. Ink. E. Igloo. I for ice cube. Capital letter I, small letter I. What is the phonic sound of J? J. Yes, I after J. Jack. J. Jump. J. Jacket. J. Jack. Capital letter J, small letter J. J says J. J says J. So J after K. And what is the phonic sound of K? K says K. Kite. K. Kettle. Capital letter K, small letter K. K says K. K after L. And what is the phonic sound of L? L. L says L. L for lion. L for light. L for look. L says L. L after M. M says monster. Mouse. Capital letter M, small letter M. M says M says M after N. What is the phonic sound of N? Nose, night. Capital letter N, small letter N. Our revision is done. Now, कल हमने कौन सा लेटर किया था? Yes, we learned how to write small letter N. So now, activity time. So in today's activity, we need a craft paper and we need a diamond. Yes. So now, shall we start? So first, take your paper, craft paper, then take out stone and stick here. Now take another stone. Then again take another, one small, one big, like this. Take one small and one big stone. So now, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, मैंने वन बिग स्टोन देन वन स्मॉल स्टोन. सो ये क्या बना? आपको नहीं पता चल रहा ना? वेट. नाउ यस, अभी आपको पता चला ये क्या है? यस, वेरी गुड. एंड फॉर necklace, and for necklace. So now here I will write capital letter N. यहाँ मैं कैपिटल लेटर N कर रही हूँ, पर आपको जो करना मीन्स कि आपका लेटर हो. जैसे मेरा आंचल मैम है तो A फॉर आंचल मैम. सो आपका जो हो आप वो बना सकते हो, राइट. पर मैं यहाँ कर रही हूँ N फॉर necklace, like this. N for necklace. So today's activity it's done. It's look so pretty, right? हमने क्या किया? One big stone. We apply one big stone. Then we apply one small stone. और हमने उससे क्या बनाया? N for necklace. N for necklace. So hope आपको ये एक्टिविटी पसंद आई हो और आप लोग ये ट्राई करें. So now class work time. So our today's activity is done. We make a necklace. And for necklace. Necklace. So now, yesterday what did we learn? Yesterday I will introduce you letter N. So yesterday what did we learn? Take out page number 56. Take out page number 56. Letter N. Yesterday we learned how to write small letter N in textbook. Yes, we circle the object whose name begin with N sound, and for nuts. So now our today's classwork is in English worksheet term 2. So take out your English worksheet everyone and take out page number 7. Take out page number 7. So are you all ready? Let's start our today's classwork. Take out your pencil. This classwork is in English worksheet. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया page number 7. So first write CW and take. And first of all, are you all happy today? So make a smiley. Yes, we are happy today. So now trace the alphabet. So first we trace the alphabet. Which letter is this? Capital letter N. Which letter is this? Capital letter N. And what is the phonic sound of N? So now standing line, slanting line, then another standing line makes the letter N. Which letter N? Capital letter N. Now small letter N. Standing line and downside curve. And for nose. So now circle the letter N. Circle the letter N in the picture given below. जो यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स दी रखी आपको दिखाई दे रही है, राइट? सो सेम एज दिस पिक्चर, वर्कशीट में भी सेम एज ये पिक्चर दी है. सो सर्कल द लेटर एंड इन द पिक्चर गिवन बिलो. सो फर्स्ट व्हिच पिक्चर इज दिस? एंड फॉर नोज. Nose. So circle the letter N. And for neck. Neck. Now circle the letter N. And for napkin. And for napkin. Napkin. So now circle like this. So now turn your page. Page number 8. Page number 8. Trace and write the letter N. Trace. First we trace in a 2 line and then we write the letter N. So shall we start? So first write CW and date. Parents, please guide your children. Now today we learn how to write small letter N. So first we trace the letter N. Between two blue lines we make a standing line and downside curve and says standing line, downside curve and says standing line, downside curve and says standing line, downside curve and says now tell me a 5 object whose name begin with letter N and for nose. Very good. Then N for new. Very good. Then N for night. Then N for nightingale. You remember story Nina Nightingale? Now our trace part is done. Now writing time. So how we write? Between two blue lines we make a standing line. Then downside curve. Standing line, downside curve. Standing line, downside curve makes a small letter N. And for nose, standing line, downside curve. So our today's class work is done. What we learn in our today's class work? First we trace the letter N. Then we circle the letter N in the picture given below. Then we learn how to trace and write letter N. So now color the nest. Take out page number 7. Now color in the nest. हम क्या करने वाले हैं? नेस्ट में कलर. So take a brown color. नेस्ट आप लोगों ने देखा है? हमारे हाउस के आसपास, हमारे हाउस में, हमारे ट्रीज में स्पैरो नेस्ट बनाती है. आप लोगों ने नेस्ट देखा है? नेस्ट कौन से कलर का होता है? ब्राउन कलर का, राइट? देन एग कौन से कलर के होते हैं? वाइट कलर के होते हैं और स्किन कलर के भी होते हैं, राइट? सो अप्लाई स्किन कलर इन एग. देन यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ी थोड़ी लीव्स दिख रही है. सो अप्लाई अ ग्रीन कलर इन लीव्स. Apply green colors in leaves. Then so our coloring part is done. So today's class work is done. Today's class work is in English worksheet page number 7 and 8. So now homework time. CW here and write HW here. Same as classwork, today's homework. Hope you like today's classwork and homework. Remember parents, our today's classwork is in English worksheet. Classwork page number 7 and 8 other half. Then homework page number 8 other half. So hope you liked our today's classwork and activity. Enjoy your awesome day. Thank you everyone.